President William Ruto's administration aims to once again raid Kenyan taxpayers to fund its 2024 budget. The Finance Bill 2024 proposes sweeping changes that will, among other things, raise the cost of bread with the introduction of value-added tax on a staple that has been exempt. The planned raids also targets car owners who will be subjected to a motor vehicle tax. Stephen Leto breaks down the Financial Bill 2024, which yet again promises more pain for Kenyans.
Kenyans must brace themselves for an even tougher year ahead as the Kenya Kwanza administration plots more raids on their pockets in the form of additional taxes for a second year. President William Ruto's administration plans to raid already strained Kenyan households to fund the government's 2024-2025 budget. Treasury is proposing 16% value-added tax on bread after removing a common breakfast favorite from the exempt category. The move will drive up the cost of bread for consumers. Under the proposed changes to the VAT, a 400-gram loaf of bread could see a price hike of at least 10 shillings. If the 2024 tax plan goes according to Kenya Kwanza's plan, vehicles owners will pay a tax known as motor vehicle tax. It shall be payable to the commissioner on each motor vehicle at the time of the issuance of an insurer cover. The motor vehicle tax has been pegged at 2.5% of the value of the vehicle and shall not be less than 5,000 shillings and not more than 100,000 shillings. An insurer of a motor vehicle shall collect and remit motor vehicle tax within 5 working days after issuing a motor vehicle insurance cover. Motorcycles will also be subjected to excise duty of 10%. Revelers have not been spared either. Lovers of wine will pay more within a proposal to charge 243.43 shillings per litre. Lovers of beer will however pay less with a new bill proposing 142.44 shillings per litre, down from the current 253 shillings. Those who partake spirits and whiskies will pay more, with the current plan increasing its tax to 356.42 shillings per litre. Finance Bill 2024 suggests eliminating VAT exemptions for several financial services, including issuing credit and debit cards, telegraphic money transfer services, and check handling, processing, clearing, and settlement, including special clearance or cancellation of checks. Excise duty, telephone, and internet data services has gone up from 15% to 20%. Excise duty on money transfer services has also seen a sharp increase, with the bill proposing a rise from 15 to 20%. Excise duty on betting, gaming, and lotteries has also seen a proposed increase of up to 20% from 12.5%. Other changes include VAT on mosquito repellents, tea packaging material, foliar feeds, and biostimulants, as well as agricultural pest control products. As Kenya Kwanza works on high taxes for Kenyans, it is yet to implement fully deduction proposed in last year's budget, such as the Social Health Insurance Fund, which is set to come into effect mid-2024. Last year, the Kenya Kwanza administration raised income taxes for those earning more than 500,000 shillings by 2.5% and those earning more than 800,000 shillings by 5%. It also introduced a 1.5% housing tax that was later declared unconstitutional and once again reintroduced at the Affordable Housing Act 2024. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.